Morgan and I are out here today at Prospect Park. We've got a sketchbook that Morgan has lent to me, which I'm very grateful for. I'm just gonna chill out here, enjoy the nice, mild, hazy weather, and try to brainstorm some ideas for a couple of fall coloring pages. So let's see how it goes. YouTube friends, it's good to be back. I haven't seen you for a while and I am excited to get back to art vlogging. This week has been so weird. I was supposed to be in a workshop of a musical, but I just got a very bad case of laryngitis. My voice had like completely gone out. And it was just the worst timing in the world. Like I truly couldn't even believe it. So I had to drop out. But luckily the director is a performer and she was very familiar with the role, so she stepped in. So I'm gonna go see her do that tonight. And yeah, it's just been a really sad thing to put all of this work into, you know, doing all the lines, writing the lines, learning the lines. You know, I mean, I really was so looking forward to it because it's been so long since I have been in a musical, and this role was so special. So, yeah, I mean, I don't regret it. I mean, I sound a lot better today, but I think the fact is that going through the rehearsal process and having to sing, and I mean, I sound better now just speaking, but singing through a whole show, I mean, that's hard to do even when you're in shape. So I think I made the right decision with dropping out. I mean, it was like rehearsal 2, and then the third day I woke up and I was just, my voice was completely gone, and I was like, oh, I can't do this. I can't keep pretending like I'm gonna be better by the time that this is gonna be on its feet, because who knows, you know, and all the internet is saying 1 to 2 weeks for recovery. So yeah, it had to be what it was gonna be. But I am grateful that I got to have a few days off from work, just because of rehearsals and my illness, and me and my fiance had a nice little staycation together, and I've got a new commission that I'm working on that I'm a little nervous about, but you know, if it goes well, then it'll be a really good thing for me in my career as an artist. And this is some packaging materials for the shop launch, the August one, and perhaps you guys will, I mean, we're in August now, but I'm not sure when I'll be posting this, probably later this month. So this is the acid-free paper that I'm going to be using to wrap my prints. And we've also got some, oh goodness, some rigid mailers in here. And I was so shocked by how much this costs. Like, just these 2 packaging things cost a lot, but you get a lot of them, so I think it'll last me a while. And they're just the 8x10s, so. Oh wow, they seem like a big old magazine. Look at that. U-line, just for packaging materials and all that. Look at that. Great. Okay, we've got this. This is probably the tissue paper. Yeah, acid-free tissue paper. And we've got another large box within the box. This is my first unboxing, really, I think, so it's kind of exciting. Hey, Homer. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah, look at these. Very good. Yeah, I think these are just big enough to fit a little 8x10 print that will hopefully be very well protected in the mail. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Oh, he likes the box. Very good. You guys gotta see this little cute cat in the box. Look at that little boy. Good boy, Homer. Good boy. Okay, I hope I get that angle right. Okay. And my new sticker design came in. You guys will be the first to see them. Look at these little guys. Look at them. Isn't he so cute? So this is my Toad from Toad in the Teapot. He's been so popular, so what I ended up doing was kind of plagiarizing myself a little bit, and I put the image of the painting on Procreate, and I decided to recreate him with pastels in a little pumpkin, which I think is so perfect for the fall spooky season shop launch. So yeah, I'm feeling really good about that. I really like how they came out, and these are completely opaque and matte stickers. I put one on Sam's cello case, and it looks really great, and I'm just so happy. I also got these a little bit bigger than my moon cat stickers because those came out a little bit small. So these are like 3-inch stickers. Those other ones were 2. So yeah, we're just kind of learning as we go. And the only other thing that was really disappointing this week is that I did finish my scales on my snake painting, but then I became convinced that the Sharpie wasn't dark enough. So I started going over the Sharpie with a dark blue marker, and honestly, it looks so bad. It looks so bad, guys. Like, I really messed up and made a decision in bad lighting, and you should wait to make decisions when you have good lighting so that you can see, oh, actually it looks good how it is, because I started going over with this really dark marker, and it's got this like reddish permanent marker reflective thing to it, and it's just a completely different like shade than all the rest of the blues that are at play, and it looks so bad. Like, I really just messed it up, and I'm not happy with it. I can't keep going, you know? Like, it's either keep going or paint over it, and I can't keep going. I'm gonna ruin the delicate balance that I have struck with these light blues, and I just so yeah, the fact that I had already finished the scales, like, it was done and it was good to go, and then some like stroke of evil madness possessed me, and I started going over it with marker. I mean, I just can't, yeah, I can't believe I did that, because I really created so much work for myself. But you know, it is what it is. And I think I was just kind of in a mindset of done is better than perfect, and let me just keep pushing and let me just do. But those periods of sitting back and looking at things and really considering your options before you just go for it, I mean, that is also quite valuable. And yeah, I got a little scale happy with the marker there. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, because it's, I mean, you'll agree, it's brutal. But I'm not gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna settle. I'm gonna have to color match and go back in with the brush and paint over all my hard work on the first half. I mean, it's not the whole snake, it's just about like the first maybe third of the snake, but still, I mean, Jesus Christ, I was so sick of these scales, and now the fact that I have to redo them on any of it is just, it's a lot, but it's okay. I'm determined to get some prints of that snake by the September launch. It's not gonna happen by the August launch, but in September, I think we'll have it. But I gotta get cracking on this commission now, and I don't think I can let you guys see any of that quite yet. So that'll be later in the works. And it's not even a confirmed commission. It's like I have to do a second draft to maybe get the job, which is like, ugh. It's like, how much work do I put into this second draft, you know? Because the way it's looking, I think it'll be hours and hours. I mean, that's always how it is, but yeah, I am so happy about my stickers. They look great. I love Toad and the Pumpkin. And these I'm definitely selling for 4. The other ones will be 3, and then maybe we'll do like a little bundle pack. Hopefully I might get one more sticker design before September, but yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But it's good to be back into the art vlogging of it all. Thank you guys for being here and listening, and yeah, I think we're just gonna chill out together and work on this snake. Yeah, so see you guys on the other side.
Alright, wave goodbye.